Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For anybody new here, then my name is Brianne, and if you're not new, then welcome back. And this video is for the DIY girls. So I've been doing lash clusters for about a year now, and I love them. Like, if you guys couldn't tell by now, I'm obsessed, I'm in love. Lash clusters are great for if you've got like a last minute event you need to go to, you haven't been able to book a lash appointment, and you need a quick fix. Or even if you're just trying to save some money, then these are perfect. Lash clusters, chef's kiss. I purchased all of my lashes from TikTok Shop and Amazon, so you'll always find the link in the description box down below. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys how I do my lash clusters. It's what works for me, and hopefully it will work for you guys too. So let's get into the video. Also, before we get into the video, one more thing. I don't know if the quality looks different. It probably will. If you haven't noticed already, it probably does, because we are no longer filming on my phone. We reached 1,000 subscribers, so I bought myself a camera as a little gift to myself, you know. So if the quality looks different from any of my other videos, that is why. But anyway, that's enough yapping. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. I love all of you so much, and let's actually get into the video now. As you guys can see, I only used the camera to film my intro. I'm still getting used to using it. I don't really know what the functions are at the moment, so bear with me guys. But anyway, let's rewind a little bit so that we can get into the details of the lashes. Today we're using Bloome lashes from TikTok Shop, and I've never tried them out before, so I'm very excited to see how this set is gonna look. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna use the lash bond, and we're going to apply that to our lashes the same way that you apply mascara, but not too much, because we don't want to damage our lashes. You do not need that much glue. So now you're gonna see me applying the lashes, but before you do that, you want to put glue on the band of the lash. If you do want a visual tutorial of how to apply the glue to the lash itself, then check out my last video that I posted, because during this video I do want to focus more on the lash mapping. As you guys would have seen in the thumbnail, this is not a classic look that we're going for today. I want this to give, I just came back from my lash appointment and my lash tech did this. But at the same time, we're not going to do anything too dramatic either. So when you're applying the lashes, you do want to make sure that it's just above your waterline, otherwise it can be quite painful. You also want to make sure that they're lined up with the shape of your eye, so follow the shape of your eye. You don't want them all going in different directions, because you're going to look a bit crazy. And you want to press on your lashes with the back of your tweezers just to make sure that they're not hanging and that they're actually attached to your natural lashes properly, because there's nothing worse than when you've got a lash cluster just hanging off of your eye and you can see it in your eye. This is how we could leave our lashes if we wanted to, but I do want to add some spikes just to make them look a little bit fuller. So how we're going to do this is on the ends where we've got 16s, we're just going to double that, so just put another 16 on top. Now when it comes to the other spikes, so I'm going to use two. I'm going to do one in the center and then one closer to the inner corner of my eye. I can't tell you exactly where to place it because you kind of have to eyeball it. Just look at wherever looks like it could use filling a little bit. So for the spikes, I'm using 14s, and the one on the inner corner, I did cut it in half just because if I used the whole lash, it would be too full. And we never forget to seal our lashes. That is the biggest mistake that you can make. That will have them falling out within a couple days. We're trying to keep them for a couple weeks. Most lash kits that you purchase will always come with the lash bond and the seal together. This one did come with the remover as well, and then the applicator. So this pack gave me everything. And then the final thing that I like to do is just go in with my lash curler so that I can lift the lashes a little bit. And that is how you do your lash clusters at home. I think that this looks like a fresh set done professionally. Let me know what you guys think of the lash map as well, because this might be my new favourite. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!